There's a guide on how you can create an account on Snapchat. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step is opening the Snapchat app. After opening it, you will see this interface. You will get three options. The first one is continue with Google. Okay, so you can use your email IDs to log into and create an account on Snapchat. The second one is sign up in the blue color. As you can see, you can use your phone number or you can just use your username to create an account. It's totally up to you. And in the bottom, as you can see, there's a small option written in small letters which says login. Okay, which is for the people who already have an account, but I don't think you have an account. So yeah, you can use that if you do. Otherwise, I'm gonna go with continue with Google. Okay, after choosing your account or after choosing your email ID, you will be transferred on this page. As you can see, it says get started, enable app permissions to make sign up easy. And it says in very small letters, tap allow when prompted. Okay, you don't really have to, you have to just decide if you want to allow this permission to this app. Okay, it's not necessary. So let's click on continue. After that, it'll ask you to enter your birthday, so I'm gonna do that. After that, it'll say your username is Deeprezo. It'll suggest your username using your email ID. So my email ID has this Deeprezo thing in its username. So yeah, it says your username is this. You can change it if you want to. You can keep it if you want to. It's totally up to you. As you can see, in small letters it says change my username. If you click on it, you can change it here. As you can see, it says username is available. It might not be available, but you have to keep changing it because your username should be unique. You can't really share the same username with someone else. So I'm okay with Deeprezo, so I'm gonna click on continue. As you can see in the bottom. After that, it'll say set a password, so I'm gonna do that. After that, it'll say finish creating your account, as you can see, and it's the step 4 out of 4, and it'll ask you to enter your number, which is not necessary. As you can see on the top right section of your screen, there's a very faded button which says skip, so you can skip this. You don't really have to enter your number. I'm gonna skip. After that, again, it says create your Bitmoji. You don't really have to. You can click on skip, as you can see on the top right again, but you can create a Bitmoji if you want to. It's totally up to you. I'm gonna skip this. After that, it'll say to use Snapchat, please allow access to your camera. Your Snapchat cannot take pictures and videos without this permission, which is, yeah, that's pretty valid. So you have to give it the permission, because you can't really use Snapchat without these permissions. And that's how you create an account on Snapchat.